How much does it cost to start a Gold IRA? Curious about the cost of starting a Gold IRA? Investing in gold is a strategic move for wealth preservation, but understanding the financial commitment is crucial. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are the key costs involved. 1. Initial setup fees. Setting up a Gold IRA usually incurs a one-time fee of $50 to $150, depending on the custodian. 2. Custodian maintenance fees. Annual fees for custodian services range from $75 to $300, covering record keeping and account management. Fees may vary based on account size and service complexity. 3. Storage fees. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Fees typically range from $100 to $300 annually. Options include segregated, higher security, and commingled storage, lower cost. 4. Transaction fees. Each gold purchase or sale incurs fees of $40 to $150 per transaction, plus potential markups or spreads. 5. Precious metal premiums. Gold purchases include premiums above the market price, generally between 2% and 10%, covering minting and dealer profits. 6. Possible hidden costs. Be aware of additional charges such as wire transfer fees, inactivity fees, or penalties for early withdrawals. Understanding these expenses helps ensure your Gold IRA aligns with your financial goals and strategy. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.